I like to call Kedev to me a Rabbi Yerid.
A what?
A Rabbi Yerid, like
Oh,
fair.
a rabbi it is. Yeah, so you see all the and
because
you choose.
because people come and they like it's overwhelming, it's totally overwhelming, and people are like, yeah, I'm going to change. Nah, we don't change so much so quickly. It's a beautiful Shabbos, and you hear beautiful things. But what's very important is if we speak of it, because people have talents, you come and I don't know what to do. I missed this one to go to that one. You get tastes. You get there's a smorgasbord of everyone.
Yeah.
Now each one of those speakers, presenters, have usually a series of self-help, or chinuch, or shalom bayis, or in my case, learning about them in the B'tuch and
And if they're not following your set, they might be missing out. That's what you're saying?
No, what I'm saying is find someone who you click with, you resonate with,
Right.
so that after Kedev Tuni, you can follow them.
Mm-hmm.
You can follow the series and learn a lot of Torah from them or a lot of help from them. So I think it's very, very important that they have a plethora of different types of speeches.
Right, because every person, every personality clicks with something else.
That's right. So there are different types and different things we need in life, whether you need more help in chinuch or shalom bayis, then you're going to find it there and then follow them.
Was it with you that I told you the story with Maimon Elbaz?
Yes, yeah, we did in the first episode.
bro.
Yeah.
This is he changed my life.
Yeah.
He changed my family's
But
life.
but that's not what I just mentioned. That was an interesting story that one episode changed your life.
Right.
What I'm trying to say is that all the speakers that have, as I said, series of shiurim, and you can follow them.
So I want to add that you allow, just like you said before, you should allow Hashem to lead you.
Yeah.
Don't stress out on the ones
That's
you're missing out.
very good.
Pop into one of them, and you'll be leaded.
That's why it's Kim on you and Maimon Elbaz.
Yeah. So
Rabbi.
Baruch Hashem, I was guided to Maimon, but you just walk around the floor and find, if you don't know exactly by the topic, sometimes the topics have usually nothing to do with the speech itself.
I'm well aware of that.
So I open the door, and if it's packed, I'll go to the next one. I'm not going to squeeze in. I'll go to the next one. Sometimes I'll find...
But you'll come into one of mine.
Emir Hashem. And if I find one that I'm comfortable with, I feel guided to be there, and I'll just sit through, and sometimes I'll hear one word.
Beautiful.
That's going to stick with me and give me a new perspective or new... It's amazing.
So if we go through life like that, life will be so much easier. As there's a lass sich führen. Just allow.